We're here today to entertain you and also educate you in the stapler's natural habitat. Now, we've got Larry here. Larry is a new stapler to this habitat. And this big fella right here, this is Jimbo. This is Jimbo's territory. And Jimbo has a little baby. He's got a little... Take a look at this little baby. He has a little baby stapler. Little boy stapler. We put him back. Enough fun. Anyway, now staplers are usual natural predators. They hunt and they kill monsters all the time. That they are, you know, wild beasts, outback and whatnot. They usually hunt down rats and birds and small species, and sometimes they go for big prey. Real big motherfuckers like turkeys. Huge turkeys. And they eat them. They take their fur and they brush their teeth with the fur. They got viperous teeth. Take a look at their teeth. Their teeth now, they're about this big. They're only fangs, but you know my fangs. Fucking fangs kill people. I've been bit many times by these things. Many times. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to introduce Larry to Jimbo's territory right now. That is not usually a good idea, being a male-on-male stapler species, but we will have to see where it goes from there. Now, as you can tell, most staplers, as you see here, they have mood changes. Now, mood elevators, they change how the behavior goes. But anyway, so we're gonna introduce Larry to Jimbo. Now, I'm not sure if this will be such a great idea because they're fucking creatures. They're crazy. They're fucking monsters, and they get together, fuck shit up, fucking behave. But we'll have to see. No! Oh no! Look what happened! Larry! Larry! Oh god! Oh god! What happened? What happened? Larry! Look what happened to Larry! Look what happened! Oh god! Get the hell out of here! This ain't for you! This ain't for you! Oh, Jimbo! Why? Oh no! I told you they were crazy! But no one believed me! I told you they were crazy monsters! Why? What are you fucking doing? Do it! Get that out of your mouth! Look at this murder weapon! Oh god! Oh no! Put that aside. Oh no! You're being punished, mister! You're gonna die for this! You killed Larry! You're supposed to be friends, man! You're supposed to be friends! Why? Oh god! And that's stapler madness, everybody.